everybody, it's Colleen with Artwork by Colleen, and I thought I would try another Kaleidoscope cane because it's been a while and because why not? So, as usual, I have no actual concept or idea in mind, but I pulled out these leftover pieces of clay basically. I'm going to combine these two, I'm going to combine these two, these two, these three, these three, these two, these two, and then I have some black and white that I might do some individual things with. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some Skinner blends with all this and then come back and we'll go from there. I'm back after rolling a bunch of colors out, making some Skinner blends. This is what I have so far. Now I'm gonna stretch them all and probably start. I'm gonna roll this one for sure, and because the pink didn't have a whole lot of variation between the two, I'm gonna roll this white out really thin. I'm gonna layer it on top of this one before I roll, and when I start rolling, it's gonna hopefully make a cute swirl. We shall see. Okay, so there's a quick look at the pink and white. Like I said, there wasn't much difference. You could barely see it's lighter in the middle than you can on the end. And I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but we're done that one. I'm gonna go with a purple and white one next, and I'm going to fold those back, accordion fold. Not too worried about all this. Doesn't look exactly perfect, but once you start. So we have those two so far. I'm gonna take maybe this one, and I think I'm gonna roll it with the dark in the inside and the light on the outside. Here's the peachy one. As I said, I did the dark in the center, light on the outside, and I decided to go ahead and cover the circle with, and it's sort of a mid-range peach. And honestly, the only reason I did that is because I had used all of the dark already, because I'm really just trying to use leftovers and scraps. Because right now it's kind of hard to get clay, because I don't know when you're going to be watching this, but this ridiculous pandemic lockdown is just getting to be onerous. Anyway, so let's see. Next, let's go with this blue. And I think with the blue, I'm going to do another... Let's do another stack. I'll do stretch this out and I'll stack it up. All right, so here we go. The blue is done. I think that looks nice. I'm just gonna add that to the collection here. We got some cool stuff going on. I still honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do with all this, but what I think I wanna do with this green, I think I wanna make it into a leaf. May come to regret that, may not, but so I'm going to thin it out some. I'm going to roll it out, and then I'm going to roll it with the light in the inside and the dark on the outside, and then I'll come back and show you how we're going to turn it into a cute little leaf, theoretically. Okay, so to work on the leaf, I'm going to cut here, and I'm going to cut one here and one here to make some veins in the leaf, and then we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so just to give the leaf a little bit of a different look and feel, I am going to triple the layers and make it so that the vein is white on the outside and then dark in the inside, and then white back on the outside. I think, oops, ripped that a little bit. It's okay, you can just smush that back together. That's the official term, right? Put that back like that. So anyway, it's hard to see right now, but we'll see when all the layers come. So when they're reduced down, I think it'll look pretty cool. But we'll see. So I'm just gonna do that to the rest of the layers, because that was the first layer, this is the second layer, and I'm just gonna go and put them like they were, and then we'll come back and cut it in half and form a leaf. Right, here we are, finish that. Kind of turns into a little bit of an egg shape, and what you're gonna wanna do is kind of cut it at an angle. See, it looks pretty in the inside, right? And then you're gonna turn it and flip it over. and gabam. Now you have the nice shape of a leaf. Pretty cute, eh? I think so. Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it in a little bit of the dark color just so you don't see the stripe lines on the outside, because I don't think that would look as cute for the leaf. I'm just going to do a very thin coating of this dark turquoisey color, and then we have a new leaf. What I'm going to do with that leaf yet in this, I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned for more. After that, I think I'm going to reduce this yellow one. And let's see, maybe it's time for another circle. And I kind of like the way the light in the inside and the dark on the outside. So I think that's where I'm going to go. Best part is I was able to use all those scrap pieces and piece it together, which really won't matter once you start reducing it. But there it is. It's a cute little finished up leaf that I think will look cute somehow with this. And added to our collection we got going. And moving on to the next piece. Okay, so I made the yellow piece, and I'm good with that. I'm gonna put an orange dot in the center of that. We'll do that in just a few minutes. But I was getting ready to reduce this black and gray, white, whatever. Anyway, I decided at the last moment to cut it in half, and I think I'm gonna take half of it and go light to dark, and take the other half and go dark to light, just cause. So let's see how that looks. All right, so we're back to this little yellow guy. And I'm just gonna cut him down the middle. I know, sound effects are great, right? Ow. Now, I can't find my little wooden doll, so as my mother said, necessity is the mother of invention, so whatever. Anyway, making the best of it. I'm just gonna use this brush handle. There you go, folks. There you see it live. Whoopsie. Well, now it'll stay better. Okay, it's fine. Anyway, we're gonna take this orange. That was priceless. We're gonna take this orange and we're gonna put it, and we're gonna make a little sandwich, and we're gonna squish it back together like this. There we go. Then we can roll it out a little bit. And there you go. Not too exciting. Whoops. Be better if I put it in front of the camera. Not too exciting, but hey, it's a start of something. So now we got that going. We got our, let me widen this angle a little bit. There we go. Now we got our leaf going. We have black and white and black. Not really sure what I'm going to do with those guys yet. Still thinking about it. And we have this purple guy here. I'm thinking, all right, so I'm back with this gray guy. I still don't know what to do with him really, but I'm thinking could be an awful idea, could be a good idea. Not really sure at this point. I'm thinking let's put him here. And then let's put this on top of that to kind of round that out. I'm really crazy about this so far. I'm not gonna lie. This is not coming out like, ugh, I don't know. I'm just not thrilled, but there's still time to make it better. Next is this peach. I think I'm gonna roll this to make it twice as long and put one here and one there. I'm gonna roll this peach into two. At the last moment, I decided to make it 3. So that one's bigger and these two are a little smaller, and I think that that's perfectly fine. Now I'm trying to figure out where I'd like this pink one to go, because I want it to be opposite of that. And I think that might be okay. I kind of wish I had put it here now, but it's kind of too late for that because unsticking this stuff is, you know, no easy task. I think what I want to do is have a couple of little dots of white here and there. So I'm gonna just get some plain white and roll that out. So let me update y'all a little bit. I added I covered the yellow with purple right here. I put that in. I made a white triangle in there. Right here, I took a piece of black and covered it in pink. And then I took some of this same pink and covered it in white. Put it over there. I feel like I need to add a little something in here and maybe a little something there. So I'm gonna think about that for a minute, what it is I'd like to add, put those in, and then I think we might think about starting to close it up. Taking a look at this, I added this little elongated piece. It's kind of navy blue wrapped in white. I took one of my rose canes and decided to add it to there. And then I found this little flower guy. I'm gonna reduce him down a little bit more to make him fit there. And then that should be close to a triangle, and I think I'm gonna start reducing it. Then we'll see what it looks like when it's done. All right, so I reduced it. Here's the terrifying moment of truth. When we cut it and see what it looks like. I'm a little scared, but whatever. It is what it is at this point, right? So there we go. It's kind of blah on the inside, in the middle, but really fancy on the outside. It's not an awful cane. I mean, it's not an awful kaleidoscope. It probably could be better, but that's not too bad. So, yeah. So there you go. Another kaleidoscope in for the books. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.